Have you ever wondered if raspberries are good for you? Today, we are going to unpack the health benefits of this amazing fruit. Bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, raspberries are a powerhouse of nutrition. They're especially rich in vitamin C and manganese, both essential for overall health and wellness. And let's not forget about fiber, a vital nutrient that aids digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Now, if you're watching your waistline, you'll be pleased to know that raspberries are low in calories. Yes, you heard it right. You can enjoy a generous serving without worrying about piling on the pounds. But the goodness of raspberries goes beyond their nutritional profile. They're packed with antioxidants that help fight off harmful free radicals, contributing to healthier skin, a stronger immune system, and even prevention of certain diseases. So, are raspberries good for you? Absolutely, but that's not all. Let's delve deeper into the specific benefits of including raspberries in your diet. Incorporating raspberries into your diet can have remarkable effects on your health. With their rich color and sweet tart flavor, raspberries aren't just a tasty treat. These little red gems are packed with nutrients and antioxidants that provide a host of health benefits. Let's delve into the ways raspberries can contribute to your overall wellness. Firstly, raspberries are great for your heart. They're packed with potassium, which helps regulate heart rate and blood pressure, and fiber, which helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels. The flavonoids in raspberries also play a role in heart health by reducing inflammation and preventing plaque buildup in the arteries. Moving on to the brain, raspberries can help enhance cognitive function. They contain antioxidants like vitamin C and ellagic acid that protect the brain from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of age-related decline. Plus, the iron and copper in raspberries can promote healthy neurological function and improve mental agility. As for digestion, raspberries come to the rescue again. Their high fiber content aids in maintaining a healthy digestive system by adding bulk to your diet and promoting regular bowel movements. This can help prevent constipation and keep your gut healthy and happy. Raspberries can also be a great ally in your weight loss journey. They're low in calories but high in fiber, making them a satisfying snack that can help curb your appetite and prevent overeating. Plus, their natural sweetness can satisfy your sugar cravings without the added calories of processed sweets. But perhaps one of the most impressive aspects of raspberries is their antioxidant content. These compounds help combat inflammation and oxidative stress, two factors that contribute to various chronic diseases. The antioxidants in raspberries, including vitamin C, quercetin, and gallic acid, can help protect your cells from damage and boost your overall health. With all these health benefits, it's clear that raspberries are a nutritional powerhouse. And the best part? They're not only good for you, but they're also deliciously versatile, making them a perfect addition to any meal, snack, or dessert. But we'll dive into that in the next scene, so stay tuned. Now you might be asking, how can I make raspberries part of my daily diet? Well, the good news is, incorporating raspberries into your meals and snacks can be as simple as 1, 2, 3. Fancy a smoothie? Try blending a handful of fresh raspberries with your favorite fruits. The result? A nutrient-packed, refreshing drink that's both delicious and beneficial to your health. Looking to jazz up your breakfast? Sprinkle some raspberries on your oatmeal or yogurt. Not only will it add a burst of color to your meal, but it'll also give you a good dose of fiber and vitamins. And who said desserts can't be healthy? Raspberries can be a game changer in your sweet treats. Mix them into a fruit salad, use them as a topping on your whole grain pancakes, or create a raspberry sauce for your guilt-free ice cream. As you can see, there are countless ways to enjoy raspberries and reap their health benefits. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to healthy eating. It's not about consuming raspberries once or twice, but regularly making them a part of your meals. Their nutritional goodness won't magically transform your health overnight. It's the daily, consistent intake that leads to sustained health benefits. And let's not forget, they're delicious. So incorporating them should be a joy, not a chore. So make raspberries a staple in your diet and enjoy the benefits they bring to your health. In summary, raspberries are a delicious and nutritious addition to any diet. They pack a powerful punch of health benefits, from aiding weight loss to boosting your immune system. A consistent diet with raspberries can lead to substantial health improvements. They can easily be incorporated into smoothies, desserts, or even as a part of a healthy breakfast. For more health tips and information, Check out the full article on our website. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Remember, your health is directly linked to what you eat and drink. And it's really that simple. Stay healthy and keep enjoying the delicious and nutritious raspberries.